Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spray arm water supply tube in the Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flatblade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new spray arm water supply tube. This spray arm water supply tube is mounted at the back of the dishwasher's cavity. It supplies water to the middle and to the upper spray arms. It also holds the upper spray arm in place. This part plays a critical role in enabling distribution of water during the dishwashing process. If your dishes at the upper rack are not coming out clean, check the spray arm water supply tube for cracks and clogs and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Right, so now we're going to pull out the upper rack. Just slide it out all the way. Make sure that you're not applying any weight of yours on the top because you can easily bend the hinges. Now we need to remove two dish rack stoppers. So one on each end. This is a flatblade screwdriver. I'm going to press in the tab here and push up the stopper. So now I'm going to remove the left side rack stopper. Press in on the tab with a flatblade screwdriver and push it up. Now we can easily slide out the upper dish rack. Now I'm going to slide the rails back in. Next, I'm going to pull out the lower dish rack and remove it. Next, I'm going to take out this lower spray arm. As you can see, there's a plastic lock nut at the bottom of the spray arm. I'm going to grab it on the sides and turn it counterclockwise to unlock. And then we can lift off the arm. Next, I'm going to remove this filter cover. I'm using a flatblade screwdriver. We need to pop up a couple of about 4 clips here. So let's prime up. That's what I meant by the clips. Alright, so next we're going to remove this water supply tube. I'm going to start from the top. There are 2 clips here, one and the other one on the opposite side that holds this upper portion of the tube. Simply press it out and pull out on that thing so it's going to come out. Move it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to release this middle portion. There's a clip over there and a clip over there. So I'm going to use the flatblade screwdriver. We're going to release the clip and pull out this middle part. So the last thing that holds this water supply tube in place is these 2 clips here. I'm using the flatblade screwdriver and I'm going to grab this tube with one hand and I'm going to open that tabs, but be careful, don't break them off. Pull on the tube. And now I'm going to remove the tube. Okay, we need to remove this mounting bracket from the old water supply tube by just pushing it out. We're going to install it onto the new one. This is the old spray arm water supply tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we install the new water supply tube, we need to place on this mounting bracket. We got 2 notches, one on each side here. and we're going to lock that bracket on them. Press on, and I'm gonna push it on. And now it's ready to go inside. I'm going to place the top in first. Place it inside. And I'm going to insert this, the bottom tube, and push it in so it will lock. Alright, now I'm going to place the tube right there and in here, and we're going to lock these bracket into these pins here on the sides by pressing it in. Then I'm going to place the middle portion into the between those two tabs and press it in. Now I'm going to install the filter cover. It goes in this way, but we have 4 clips here. We're going to need to lock them into this 4 locks here on the top of the filter. Align that clips and press them down. Alright, I'm going to install the lower spray arm. I'm going to place this lock nut on the top of the water supply tube and turn it so it will lock in. And I'm going to turn it clockwise. It will lock. That's it. Now I'm going to slide in the lower dish rack. Put the wheels on the base there and slide it in. And I'm going to install the upper dish rack. I'm going to place this roller inside the rail. Then I'm going to the opposite side and do the same thing here. Then slide it in, and then we're going to insert the second pair of rollers here. Push it in, and I'm going to pull out these. And we're going to place that dish rack stopper back. I'm going to put it like that, so both tips will be inserted at the same time. And then simply press it down. I can install the opposite side rack stopper. I'm going to place it on the top like this, so both these tabs goes into the cutouts at the same time, and simply just push it down. Next, I'm going to push in the upper rack. And now I can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.